G'day guys, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everybody out there in YouTube land. Firstly, I just want to thank everybody for the subscriptions over the last year, 2023. I actually started this channel early last year, and it's growing slowly, and I'm really happy by the way things are going with it. So again, I just want to say thank you very much for all the support, comments and subscriptions, and look forward to many more videos in 2024. So you can see what I'm doing here. I am actually preparing some bonnet vents on my XJ Jeep. I'm starting out with a smallish hole. I'm just going to see how things go. Now this particular vehicle, she runs really good. It's got a pretty good radiator. It's got a brand new clutch fan, and the electric fan is manually overridden. So it's got a air conditioning system. So, but what I've actually done, and as you know, guys, once you turn on the air conditioning system, the actual electric override fan comes in, and on the right-hand drive vehicles, in Australia particularly, the electric fan is situated on the driver's side and the clutch fan is situated on the passenger side. I think it's the other way around. I believe in America or US or other countries, I'm not too sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. But as I said, I've actually installed a manual override switch. So when I'm crawling with this vehicle on sand or any other obstacles, driving very slowly, I want to draw in more air. But on the road, this thing sits on it's just on 100 centigrade, and it runs fine. There's no overheating whatsoever. Yeah, if you're sitting in traffic for a while, it starts creeping up, but what I normally do is turn on the manual override and it runs perfectly. So I'm just going to finish off installing the bonnet vents. I've actually installed one there. These are actually powder coated white, but I may, the paint that you see there, this paint here is actually it's the duplicate colour of this paint is actually to paint the edges after the cuts have been done. So so it'll aid in the cooling of this particular vehicle. Now this particular vehicle actually has a transmission cooler. It came with the tow pack, so it comes with the actual transmission cooler. It actually runs via the radiator and then into the cooler and then back into the automatic transmission. So so just a little bit of a quick video on what I'm doing here, finishing off on the bonnet, and then I'll be doing a walk around on this Jeep in the next section of this video. So the end section of this video will show the walk around. Okay guys, so I just want to say again, thank you very much for all the support, and we'll see you in some more videos. See you guys, bye.